So when you put 10k, the problem was one. When you put 10k, the problem was one. You were to enter 3 trades on a 10k, two trade. I think my home yesterday entered 2 trade on a 10k account. Understand? So that was a flipping problem that I'm fighting. You understand? I'm fighting that issue that you need to interchange. Yesterday, I can never lie, man. Vault did the best, because we know off codes are there, so we had to interchange and enter the certain time. And my people entered, man. We made money. Imagine I entered, my people entered as well. That's what I appreciate. But I'm not actually condoning of codes. I just don't understand what's going on with it. Because I make money out of fundamentals more than technical. I always tell you this. I make a lot of cash. I make it out of fundamentals. I make sure that fundamentals, I make big back. When I came through, fundamental helped me a lot. Without no lies. So one thing I'll just advise you guys to do is just to change. If the broker is not working for you, change. It doesn't matter if Ninja uses this or Vault Markets of codes yesterday. Yes, I don't know. Yesterday that late, because one of my homie entered at 27. That is, I'm telling you guys, you gotta know what time to enter and what is it that you need to reduce and what is it that you need to increase. Because they're in a competition in a way. Someone can do best and then the other one does good. That is why I say I'm not gonna talk for any broker. I'm not gonna talk for any broker. When we say the broker is the best, it's when we do certain things and then it becomes the best on those certain things. But when it starts reversing on those certain things, man, we ask ourselves what is it that's going on. You guys feel like in flames now. Of course, Kawada. I have a lot of them in my DM asking me how do I enter. A lot. I have them in my DM. So the problem is you still want to enter the same way. You need to reduce certain things and increase certain things and increase the account and reduce the lot size. But if the time is small, you can increase the lot size and reduce the account. Easy. I always say this. I said this before. It's easy. You can enter 30 minutes before. But all you gotta do, you wanna reduce something and increase something. Why is it that he's reading something sent to him? Yeah, can't you hear him listening to music here? Yeah, it's very bad, so guys, like this you guys haven't really understood this promoting things, right? I'm gonna give you an illustration about Cristiano Ronaldo now. Cristiano Ronaldo is one of the biggest influencer on Instagram, right? So he can't use anything without him gaining anything out of it, So basically, we don't promote things because we hate you. We promote things because we hate the brokers. Man, like, imagine me posting what I trade with and then you guys go jump in for free. I have to be there as your middleman, checking your shirt, seeing if you're all. I never had any of my student complaining about withdrawals or anything. Never ever. You can never complain about that. Me and the broker will fight until they give you what's yours. And I won't come there and say anything. I'll just leave you with your cash. Understand? Because you made it out of your work. So the problem about you guys, you don't want to change. All of you can come here and say, yo, stop promoting this, and then I come up with a new broker. You're not gonna join. You're still gonna go for that broker. You think I don't see? I do see you guys, man. Like, you are addicted. It's like drugs. You understand? You're still addicted to these certain brokers. You understand? I'm not gonna lie to you, right? I am as well addicted. I am as well addicted. It's like a drug. Actually, let me not saying you guys. Let's say we are actually addicted in a way that when we can't change brokers, I don't know what is the problem, man. Like, hey, this thing gives us problem. You know, if we move from gold, we jump into blue. If it's blue, we go to gold. Like, what the fuck is going on? You know, it's us which is confused. You know, the only power that any broker has is because of us. I'm not saying mentors are on a power. You guys are the one who makes these brokers. You understand? So if you guys decide to leave the broker